How to log in Crunchyroll account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to sign in or log in into Crunchyroll account. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch a web browser on your device. Click search bar and type in crunchyroll.com and press enter on your keyboard. Depending on your internet connection, it will take a few time to load and then you will land on the official interface of Crunchyroll. To log in or sign in to your account, first of all you need to create an account. If you already have an account, now you have to click on the person-like icon at top right corner of your screen. Then you need to simply click on the sign in button and enter all your credentials to log in or sign in. Then you will reach on the home screen of Crunchyroll, where you can easily click on the top right corner and then even log out and switch to other profile if you wish to. As we already have logged into our account, by following the same step, you can also do so and log into your account. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.